غدا موعد رحلة. لا تنسى الكاميرا. أراك غدا لا تتأخر. مع السلامة.
Idris speaks Arabic. Unbelievable. Idris? I can't believe my eyes.
Ziad, what a surprise. How have you been?
Unbelievable. You didn't know Arabic in middle school. How?
Since I joined Hassan Schools, I started learning Arabic. Teacher Hassan was amazing. The beginning was tough. He started with me from scratch and supported me until I spoke Arabic. Arabic is the Quran's language and wisdom. Last Ramadan, I read the entire Quran for the first time.
I applaud your creativity and mastery of Arabic.
Hassan School offers a specialized Arabic program for all nationalities.